Every video project has a final output, the realization of an idea, the final creation, the result, the outcome. But before that, there's a beginning. It all starts with an idea and with the daunting blank sheet of paper. But let's be real here. Sometimes we run out of ideas after scratching our heads for a zillion times. But don't worry, Media.io has your back. Two of the most exciting brand new features are image to video and text to video generators. Now it's so easy to turn your ideas into videos just with a few clicks and the power of AI. Let's throw a couple of images into our generator. Okay, let's try from image to video. Let's create this fun prompt. Elon Musk doing the Klingon salute of Dr. Spock. Let's see if we can get so close to it. Okay, now duration maybe 5 seconds, resolution 360 or 540 maybe. Generate and wait for a little bit. Oh man, this is close enough. I like this. Oh man, this is cool. Now let's just try the text to video. Let's create a prompt. Let's try a group of fluffy cats in bed. And cartoon style. Let's create it. Oh, look at that. This is so cute, man. So if you're a marketer, a content creator, or just love making videos or even memes, and if like me you're not a pro, this platform is perfect for you. Give it a try and let me know what do you think about it below in the comment section. Other interesting new updates are the templates and AI effects. We had a wide variety of templates and a wide variety of AI effects. You can check them on the main page. Literally with just a few clicks you can add fun and crazy templates and effects to your projects. The templates and effects are so easy to use. Just go and click to the effect that you want. Use this effect. Okay, it generally asks you for 1 or 2 images. In this case will be 1 image. You upload maybe an image of yourself, a portrait, and you generate and you wait for the magic to happen, and there you go. Oh, this is so cool. With AI powered effects like ant muscle generator, venom transformation, hair growth magic, or Squid Game, you can make funny snippets to share with friends. Try it now and bring your videos to life with no effort. If you run out of ideas, we got your back. You could use user-made templates that already have fun prompts, so we can modify them to add more interesting things on top. Let's try it out. So we can take this interesting user-made template that already has this prompt. Okay, hot sexy girl dances freely and playfully, expressing yourself. Okay, we can add a furry friend, because why not, right? Okay. Jumping around. Okay. Oh, let's do it 8 seconds, maybe 5 or 540 pixels, and generate, and voila! Look at that. Oh man. With Media.io, our currency will be the AI credits, and you only pay for what you use. So you can start creating those awesome ideas right now. And if we run out of credits, we can always ask our friend Steven from marketing. Right, Steven?
No.
So let me explain you how the credit works and how to get more of them to keep making more creations. For every video generated through image to video, you will need 15 credits. And for text to video would be 20 credits. Sometimes the credits can increase depending on the resolution and duration, right? But usually it's 15 credits per creation. But you can get more credits, you just need to swipe that credit card, baby. Try it now and unleash the magic of AI. With Media.io, the possibilities are endless. Whether you want to make a funny video or a heartwarming or downright unexpected video, you can do it. It's all in the browser. Visit Media.io to try this incredible tool and make your movie moments unforgettable.